Hey guys, Johnny here, and I just could not wait to make this video. I am so excited. So, what we got here is a mechanical keyboard. And you want to know where it's from?
Let's say China. 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 I have to have my China. 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 I know China very well. China. 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 Buy from China.
You guessed it, China. Okay, let's get this going, shall we? Okay, we're gonna start with the front.
Wait, I forgot to play the intro. Let's do that very quickly. We're all good? Good, let's continue.
Oh, it is a really nice experience.
It's gonna get nasty.
Okay. Front's open. Ooh, this keyboard looks beautiful. There's the Falcon-X, 88 something, written in Chinese. When you get it, the keyboard will be flipped backwards, right? Just so you know. Ooh, I cannot stop saying how beautiful this keyboard is. Just look at that. Look at that. It'll look even more beautiful when I have it hooked up. Let's put this aside for now. Seems to be a gold-plated USB wire to micro USB. That means there's a plug at the bottom of the keyboard. There are tunnels you can roll it through. It's a versatile keyboard. I guess it's made for traveling. I don't know. And then at the corner here we get, ooh, what's this? We get a few keycap holders and a few more RM180 blue switches. Okay, so that's the contents of the box. God, you won't believe okay, let's put this away and get to the keyboard. RM180 puts a lot of work in their key switches. As a matter of fact, I will pull off one key using the keycap puller, and I will show you the inner workings of this mechanical morph. So what you want to do is you want to slide this guy, there, just jimmy it in a little bit. Okay, let's do the keycap. Let's do the other key. What you want to do is you want to just kind of jimmy it in there a little bit. Gently, very gently yank it. And there you have it. The RM180 key switch. RM180 blue, to be exact. Want to put it back on? Just keep it on the holder, and you want to push down. There are good memes, and there are bad memes. Slide it off the other way. And if it's sticking up, what you want to do is you just want to push it down with your finger until it's all the way down, flat. That's what you want to do. Marvelous. And I want you to just admire how nice this keyboard looks. Just admire it. Look how much work they put into this. I mean, just, you gotta admire it.
machine.
You got to admire it. It will look so much better
Meme machine. Meme machine.
when it's on.
Meme machine. Without
Oh, and
memes,
here's a
I will
closer
die.
look at the
Give me the
MX Blue,
memes.
MX Blue switch.
I need
If I can get the camera
memes.
focus.
I smell the memes.
This is the best I can do.
I need all the
Here's a closer
memes,
look
the
at it.
memes to survive.
Okay,
I
let's
need
get
the
to
memes.
oh,
I
shit,
breathe the
that-
memes.
okay, let's get
I smell the
to plugging in
memes.
the keyboard actually.
I need all the memes.
Like,
the
let's
memes to
oh
survive.
my, it is actually incredibly heavy.
Call me the
Did I,
meme machine.
did I mention that this thing is backplates made of metal?
I eat the memes. I
Okay,
shit the
so let's
memes.
flip
Without
this
memes,
around,
I will
just like
die.
this, and see if it
Inhale
adds
the
we have
memes,
here.
exhale the memes.
And as you can
Inject
see,
the
there are
memes
multiple
into my
paths.
bloodstream.
There are
good
multiple
memes,
pathways
and there are bad memes. Why has God
here and there.
abandoned us? Help me. Smoke the memes.
This does
snort the
have
memes,
some
take the
nice
memes
rubber
until
feet.
you OD.
So if you have a
If
table like mine, you
borrow
can
memes,
avoid
then
slip
you
and
owe
slide
me.
without
New
any
fresh
problems.
pair of
So what you want to
memes.
do when you get the cable
Meme
is,
machine.
you're gonna want to put it through
Machine.
here in whatever
I'm a
direction you're,
motherfucking meme.
in whatever direction your
Meme
US,
machine. Meme
whatever
machine.
location your USB
Without
cable
memes,
faces
I will
up.
die. Give me
Okay,
the
this is good for me.
memes. I need the
And you're gonna want
memes.
to plug her
I
in
smell the
kind of
memes.
gently. Give her,
I need all the memes,
give her
the
a
memes
nudge.
to survive.
So give her a small nudge when you plug her in.
Meme machine.
I'm gonna
I'm a
push the cable
motherfucking
down
meme
here
machine. Meme
so that it
machine.
doesn't budge.
Meme machine. Without memes, I will die. Give
There you
me
go.
the
Now you have your
memes.
USB cable installed.
I need the
Make sure that it
memes.
scratches.
I smell the memes.
Just like that.
I need all the
Bring up the
memes,
rubber
the
feet.
memes to survive. I need the
Now one thing I do love about this, because at this
I
premium
breathe the memes.
of
I smell the
of 179 ringgit, you do get rubber feet to stop it from sliding around.
They call me
So
the
that
meme
without
machine. I catch the memes. I
without
spread
our
the
pads,
memes. I eat the memes.
padding,
I shit the memes.
we can
Without
very
memes, I
stably
will
type
die.
without
Inhale the memes,
pretty much without
exhale
any
the
movement
memes,
of the
inject
keyboard.
the memes into my bloodstream.
I don't think these will wear out anytime soon because these are pretty thick.
Why
They
has
look pretty
God
durable.
abandoned us?
Time will tell.
The memes, snort the memes.
Okay, I routed it through the side.
If you borrowed my
I did
memes,
bash
then
it
you
up,
owe me
bash up the cable a
a
little
new
bit,
fresh pair of memes.
but in other words,
Meme
it's okay.
machine, meme machine. I'm a motherfucking meme machine. Meme machine, meme machine. Without memes, I will die. Give me the memes.
Let's sound with my setup. You ready? 3, 2, I love the way how this cable is clunky. I'll pull up the fan just for the sake of noise reduction. 1, go! Whoa! Okay, so at the moment it's in ripple wave mode, because that's the mode I started in at the store earlier. Let me step down the camera. Okay, can you see it? Can you see it close enough? Alright, yes you can. Let's scroll through some of the color modes.
I need all the memes to survive. They call me the meme machine. I catch the memes, I spread the memes, I eat the memes, I shit the memes. Without memes, I will die. Inhale the memes, exhale the memes, inject the memes into my bloodstream.
Now we have
There are
just
good
pure
memes,
red
and there
look.
are bad memes. Why has God abandoned us? Help me. Smoke the memes.
Okay, ripple mode.
Snort the memes. Take the memes until you OD. If you borrowed my memes, then you owe me a new fresh pair
What's this
of
mode?
memes.
Area light mode.
Meme machine. Meme machine. I'm
And
a motherfucking
lastly-
meme machine. Meme machine.
No,
Meme
this is
machine.
color
Without
changer.
memes, I will
Okay,
die.
yeah.
Give me
I guess we missed the
memes.
striper.
I need the memes. I smell the memes.
Oh no, we didn't. I just okay, so what you can do is, if you only have the striper, you can press FN and escape on this keyboard. And it will scroll through everything like this. I wish I could get that blue though. Like, they don't include that blue. Okay. Out of the dark. In other words, this is a very solid keyboard. I love the way it feels. I love the way you can use it. It's just nice to use. As a matter of fact, I will get to messaging right now. So, thank you guys for watching. I hope you enjoy. I hope this helped you in making decisions of what keyboard to buy. This is, okay, so this keyboard isn't for everyone. Okay, this keyboard might not be for everyone, but it is a fairly beginner tier keyboard. It's meant for traveling. I mean, you have to carry around your bag for it. But, ちょっとnyala kang mo dyan bangsano kaya dami kang masukot ng cafe, doon sa cafe for other gamers, and maybe you're in the city of Lost Heaven, so you sing next to some mafia guy. Doesn't matter. And then suddenly, when you're about to game, you pull out this classic. Pull her out, lay her on the table, and everyone is watching, right? Whoa! Now that guy's pretty. I guess this will be the end of the video. Thank you guys for watching. I'll be back with more videos very soon, I promise. Like I said, school is being real bug right now. Meme machine. Without memes, I will die. Give me the memes. I need the memes. I smell the memes. I need all the memes to survive. I need the memes. I breathe the memes. I smell the memes. I need all the memes to survive.